For beginners, think about when you got your first computer. How did you learn to use your first computer? You used your first computer. You caused it to crash, you caused it to lock up, you caused it to do a lot of stupid stuff, and you eventually figured it out. It's going to be trial and error. We want to be very careful, though, with intelligence, artificial intelligence. When we put something out there, we're reflecting our own intelligence. People don't know that we got it artificially. So you want to double check that. When my CEO clients who have offices at home say, well, who do you get to work on your computers when they lock up? I said, you have two choices. You can call Geek Squad or someone like that, or you can call the 8-year-old kid next door. Either one of them will fix it for you. Find the people in your circle of friends, in your environment, who are familiar with AI, and talk to them. Do you have a mastermind group for AI yet? You may never, or you may need one right now.